Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a picture/photograph of you that you like. You should say, where it was taken/drawn. When it was taken/drawn. Who took/drew it. And explain how you felt about it. About 2 years ago, at my college farewell party, which was hosted at a banquet hall in my city, I took a picture of myself that I really enjoy. Since it was the last day of a significant chapter in my life, it was an extremely emotional day, and this specific picture wonderfully encapsulated that feeling. One of my students, who was fairly skilled at taking pictures, brought his DSLR camera for the event and took the photo. With the microphone in my hand, I stood on stage and gave a brief statement of gratitude to my friends and professors. I'm wearing a formal suit, grinning sincerely, and the banner in the background says, "Farewell 2023, a new beginning." The picture came out really bright and clear, and the hall's lighting was lovely. This picture is unique not just because of my appearance but also because of the feelings and memories it captures. I'm reminded of the good moments I had with my friends every time I look at it, the laughter, the group studies, the college life, and all the priceless memories. This photograph encapsulated the joy, nostalgia, and optimism for the future that were all present in that parting. When I viewed the picture for the first time, I was really moved. For a few weeks, I used it as my WhatsApp display photo because I enjoyed it so much. I currently have it framed and keep it on my study table as a memento of my college experience and the people who contributed to its uniqueness. In summary, this picture captures a significant period in my life and is more than simply a picture. It brings back memories of development, change, and the relationships I formed while I was a student. That's probably why it's still one of my favorite photos. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.